Okay, we're gonna make the pickled daikon and carrot situation. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I think it's Joshua. Yeah, don't cancel me, shit. I don't know. But I have a lot of respect for this ingredient because it's delicious. So I have a daikon radish here. You're gonna peel it, and then you're gonna get your julienne peeler and cut it into thin strips. And we're gonna use equal parts carrot and daikon. And for the brine, it's just equal parts vinegar, a sweetener, a keto sweetener, nice pinch of salt. That's pretty much the formula for any pickle. Mix it all together so that it's equally combined. Then you're gonna jam it into some glass jars and pour that hot pickling brine right over it and seal it up. Well, you want to leave the top off until it comes down to room temperature and then seal it. Yeah, it's that simple. It's such an easy recipe. It's delicious on just about any sort of Asian dish that you want that pickling, effect or whatever. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Just can it and cover it and pop it in your fridge. Enjoy.